Welcome to another unit in this methodology toolbox. This time I'm going to talk about difference tests if your variables are nominal. So not only the grouping variable is nominal, but also the other variable which you actually want to analyze. Here we can differentiate between, on the one hand, how many samples are present, and on the other, whether we are working with unpaired or paired data. If we only have two samples, unpaired data, unpaired samples, so we're basically comparing only two samples, then we can use the classical homogeneity test, which means we're using a chi-square test. If the same situation, two samples, is present, but we have paired data, so basically asking frequencies at one point, and then later on asking again for the same frequencies, same group of people, then we can use the Mcnamara test. This again, however, only works for two samples. If we have more than two samples, then for unpaired data, unpaired samples, we're going to simply expand on the homogeneity test and use the chi-square test in general. If we, however, work with paired data, then we need to switch to the Cochrane's Q test. That's a bit more sophisticated, also more sophisticated than the Mcnamara test. And that's only due to the fact that we have actually paired data. And that's often a misconception. Chi-square tests can be used, quite versatile, but only if you have unpaired data. As soon as the data is paired, you need something else. This something else usually means the Cochrane's Q test. Well, that's then already everything on testing differences in distributions. If we have nominal scale data, well, because if we have nominal scale data, the only thing we can compare are differences. So this then concludes the session. I hope you enjoyed it. I'll say goodbye and see you next time.